To upload a mascot, click on the box right here. Now, you can easily upload a picture you prefer. If you would like to change the cover photo, click on Edit Cover Photo and upload an image. Click the Community in the left menu. Look for the Members tab. Click the Plus Members button on the right side of the Community page. After that, please click School Admin. And finally, click on Type emails or phone numbers manually. Here, you can enter or copy and paste the emails of the school admins and send them the invites. Please make sure the emails are separated by commas. Click on your community in the left menu. Click on Classes Groups tab. It'll be the members icon in a box. Click on the Plus Class Group button in the right of the middle panel. After that, click on Class or Child Care Room. Here, you can create each class. If you would like to add another class, easily click Add Another. All the classes will be created at once when you click Save. Click on your community in the left menu. Click on the Classes tab. Click on the plus button across each class name. Click on Invite to Class. Click on Teacher. And finally, click Type the emails manually. Here, you can enter the emails of the teachers and send the invites. Click on your community in the left menu. Click on the Classes tab. Click on the plus across each class name. Click on Invite to Class. Click Parent. And finally, click on Type emails manually. Use your phone's email or Gmail app option. If the parents don't have an email address, click on Class Access Code and give them that. Here, you can enter the emails of the parents and send the invites.